we've just came to Fleetwood, just along the road for Blackpool. Last time we were here we went to the left hand side on this wee walk, and this time we're going to go to the right hand side because
I used to, like, I don't know if I mentioned this in the last one, I think I did. I used to live here and I used to go like crab fishing and with my wee baggy net or fishing net, if you're English.
no, wee baggy net.
Just down to the wee boat lake down there, and I was telling Crystal about it last time and we were supposed to go down, but by the time we got a chance to, it was like dark and we didn't want to be down at the water in the dark.
Well actually as well, we were leaving the car park just behind us here. We pulled out, and as we got to the wee roundabout there, Natalie went, oh, there it is right there, and we'd already sort of went round the roundabout. I know we technically could have came back, but we just ended up with it. Aye. So we're going to go down here, get our lunch, and we'll show you some of the beach.
We have a picnic.
Now we could hear this noise way back there, and look at this, the guy's got a remote control yacht. How cool is that? We'll go down and get a wee closer look. So we just finished lunch, and Natalie was telling me that this wee bit that we're at now, as you can see, is where she used to catch our crabs.
Catch crabs and little fish, and just have much of that we get over there is having the time of your life with your bagging out and stuff. Through that wee bridge, there's like the boating lake bit, and you can go like paddle boarding and stuff.
Cool. So we'll show them through that wee bit in a minute. Once we get up, we start walking.
No, we're still eating our picnic. It was just very tasty, and they are so good.
They're dynamite. I've just got my blueberries to finish.
We had some watermelon.
Natalie's having some watermelon, so we'll go through in a wee second and show you it. Natalie was just telling me that that guy we seen with his wee model yacht, this is the club here. So it's a Fleetwood model yacht and powerboat club, and apparently they do like battleships and all that, like remote control battleships on that water. So we were having a lunch just over there, and we come up on the bridge there, and here is the boating lake, did you say, Natalie?
Yeah.
So what would happen over this side?
Over there you can see the paddle boarders.
There's people swimming over there.
Swimming, and you can get your wee lake, your boat, or wee boat round. I think there used to be like peddlers and stuff. Well, I don't know if they're still a thing.
That's cool. And just quickly over here, there's a wee family, and they're fishing for crabs. And they actually caught some. It's pretty cool. So we're just going to keep on heading down here, and we're going to go to the beach. Just like a wee viewing platform here, halfway along the beach. Very class to live here, wouldn't it? Eh?
Especially this weather.
Just there. How amazing would that be? You want one of these scooters, Natalie?
I do want one of them.
And we've got these cool multicoloured wee beach huts. I don't know exactly what they are. There's a few families and that sitting outside them, so we're not too sure. We're going to walk past them, but we'll not fill them. We'll fill you in a wee minute and tell you what they are. Maybe they own them and they've put stuff in the beach huts. So, as you can see, them behind us, they've got like wee bars in them. Actually, to be honest, it's just like a wee mini house, isn't it?
It felt a bit like a beach allotment.
Aye. Pretty cool actually. We couldn't film any because there was like about 4 or 5 families all sitting outside them, but one even had a sink and all that in it and it looked absolutely amazing. And then just past it there's like posher looking ones, weren't there? Yeah. But we didn't want to go near them because what they got a few people sort of looking at us a wee bit because we had the camera out and that, you know what I mean? So but no, that was pretty cool. They checked in and there's a man creep in my room already. I don't think we've ever stayed at a Premier Inn, have we?
I think we stayed at the Hubs.
Aye, the Hubs, but that's different from an actual Premier Inn. So as you guys can see, Premier Inn's a wee bit of a step up for what we usually go for. You get a bigger TV, smarter looking room. You could have somebody else sleeping here. But generally I think this looks a lot nicer than what we usually get into it.
And then the fan on because it's absolutely roasting.
Oh, it is roasting. Look at the little guys. And the bathroom is, well, it's like a standard bathroom, to be honest. It's a lot nicer. And we've eventually got a full bath, and me and Natalie never even got a bath bomb. So the next vlog you're going to see us do will be the eliminations. But we've already ended this vlog and I'm putting this in before, so you'll see us speaking a wee minute about ending it.
What a crazy time to be alive.
Right, so I think we're going to finish up the video here. We're going to go to Blackpool. What are we going to show them the room?
Yeah, why not?
Well, we might show you the room for Blackpool. Probably what I'll do is I'll put the room in first and then you'll hear this, so it might be a wee bit strange, you know what I mean? But if you've liked the video, give us a big thumbs up and give us a subscribe because it really helps us out, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.